Welcome to our ultimate guide on organic fertilization for your trees, shrubs, and flowers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we all share a common goal: to cultivate a thriving and vibrant garden. Today, we'll walk you through the best practices and DIY alternatives to keep your garden thriving. So let's roll up our sleeves, put on our gardening gloves, and embark on this journey to unlock the secrets of organic fertilization together. Our first plant friend is the majestic Emperor 1 Japanese maple, known for its fiery red foliage. Japanese maples prefer slightly acidic soil, so a slow-release organic fertilizer rich in compost and leaf mold will do wonders. Remember, we're aiming for sustained release, much like a gourmet meal savored slowly for maximum enjoyment. Dogwood shrubs, with their elegant blooms and colorful stems, are a garden classic. To keep them happy, apply a balanced organic fertilizer in early spring, just as they begin to wake up from their winter slumber. A top dressing of compost around the base will also improve soil structure and provide essential nutrients. Now let's talk about the Variegated Euonymus, a versatile evergreen shrub that brightens up shady corners. A slow-release organic fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio will do the trick. Over-fertilizing can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers and fruits. Moving on to the globe blue spruce, a true architectural marvel in the garden. These evergreens prefer slightly acidic soil, so a layer of pine bark mulch will help retain moisture and provide the ideal pH level. In early spring, apply a slow-release organic fertilizer specifically formulated for evergreens. Thujas, also known as Arborvitae, are beloved for their dense foliage and ability to create stunning hedges and privacy screens. To keep your Thujas healthy and vibrant, apply a balanced, slow-release organic fertilizer in early spring, just as new growth emerges. A layer of pine bark mulch will help maintain the ideal soil pH and moisture levels. Roses. The quintessential garden royalty, and knockout roses in particular, are known for their exceptional disease resistance and prolific blooms. In early spring, treat them to a generous helping of well-rotted manure or compost. Throughout the growing season, supplement their diet with a balanced organic rose fertilizer. The Flamethrower Redbud, with its vibrant magenta-pink blooms, is a true harbinger of spring. To keep its fiery spirit alive, apply a balanced organic fertilizer in early spring, just before new growth begins. A layer of organic mulch around the base will help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Daylilies, with their cheerful blooms and carefree nature, are a joy to have in the garden. To keep them happy, apply a balanced, slow-release organic fertilizer in early spring, just as new growth emerges. A second application in midsummer will encourage a second flush of blooms. Now let's not forget about the hostas, the kings and queens of the shade garden. Hostas are not heavy feeders, but appreciate a gentle boost in spring with a slow-release organic fertilizer. Coffee grounds are like a magic potion for hostas. Sprinkle a handful around the base to acidify the soil and deter slugs and snails. Last but not least, we have the classic Boxwood shrubs, prized for their evergreen foliage and ability to be sculpted into elegant topiaries. Boxwoods prefer well-drained soil and benefit from a light feeding in spring with a slow-release organic fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive growth and make them more susceptible to pests and diseases. Thank you for watching our guide on organic fertilization. Remember, a healthy garden starts with the right nutrients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!